Hey, welcome to this video. As you can probably see from the title, it's going to be a bit of an unusual camping video, as we're going to stay the night in a tree house. A couple weeks ago I came across this tree house located in the woods, so just finished work now and I've headed up to the woods. We're just heading through to see if I can locate it, and we'll set up and I'll bring you back once I get there. Hiked a little ways into the woods now and I've just come across the treehouse, so I'll spin you around so you can see it. So as you can see, there's remnants of other people using this. That's like an inflatable mattress. In fact, there is a beanbag over there, some sort of little wood building here. I think that might be a sort of outhouse, but this is the tree house itself. We've got a sturdy ladder going up there, so let's take you up there and show you about. Tinny up here, and look what that is. Oh, it looks like another inflatable mattress. Well, that could be a bit useful. Oh, it's a bit damp there. As you can see, it's not very big. I'll show you on the 360 camera a little bit later. This is the apparently the smoking area. I thought it was pretty sturdy, although there is a hole here, and nice little, let's check it out. Yeah, nice little seat with a view, so you can see a little bit better with the 360 angle what I'm dealing with. I think I can just about squeeze down here. I mean, only half of this has a roof. The roof just ends here. So if I had my feet a little bit further, which then stretched out, they're going to get wet tonight because I believe it is going to rain. It has been raining the last few days, but we have had a nice day today. But yeah, in the early hours of the morning, it definitely is going to be rain coming in. But it's pretty cool. It will do for tonight for a shelter. I'll get you a better view of it in a second. So that's me pretty much all set up now, and I've got my sleeping bag here, so I'll put that out when I'm ready to lay down and get comfortable. Now it's time for some food. I've actually brought something special for food tonight. You could call this a cooking with stone episode. I've got a French ration pack, a French army ration pack. It is, I believe it's a 12-hour ration pack, but it's got some pretty good stuff in. I will give a full review, but that'll be in a separate video to this one, so you have to go and see that one. So I have saucisson pistache. I think that's like sausage and maybe some potatoes. I will look this up properly. And what I'm really looking forward to, we got risotto de porc aux champignons. So basically, what would be mushroom risotto. I love mushroom risotto. Got some few other bits and pieces in here, like some biscuits. Obviously, you got your cutlery, wet wipes, and then we got Forestier pâté. Excuse my French accent, it is terrible, but I'm trying to pronounce it like it reads. I don't know really what type of pate this is, but I'm hoping it's like sort of wild boar. That would be good. That would be really good. Do like raw wild boar pate. And then there's potage curry, which I'm guessing is like just a potato curry. I might not have that. I'll maybe save that. I don't know. So I'll have that tomorrow morning or something. I don't know. And some napkins. I'm intrigued really what's in this. I'm guessing this is a bit of a full meal. This is definitely a good meal. I'll probably have choices. I'll have the risotto, and then if I'm still feeling hungry tonight, I'll probably tuck into that. And I'm pretty hungry. As I said earlier, I've done a shift at work, and it's a 12-hour shift. I've done 4 of them in a row, and then half an hour get up here, and yeah, so I'm pretty tired, to be honest. Looking forward to getting a good night's sleep, hopefully, if the rain doesn't disturb me too much and get me wet, but we'll soon find out about that. So let's get cooking, and I'll bring you back when everything's starting to cook up. Just let it cool down a little bit first. Hope you've been enjoying the videos this year. The trip to Poland and the documentary sort of style, talking about the history and the sort of culture of the places that I'm going to. I've kind of followed that through with a couple of other videos, like a trip to Devon. I've done a long documentary on the Aberdeen Harbour. I've been meaning to do that for a while, or wanting to do that for a while, but kind of been putting it off, and now I found that I've got better at those sort of style videos. I thought I'll give it a crack, because I knew it was going to be a long video, a lot of information to put across. Yeah, I've been enjoying doing them, and I hope you've enjoyed watching them. And if you like that sort of thing, smash the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe. So let's give this a go. It's kind of soupy. It's like well, I've put water in it, but it's kind of broke up the risotto, I guess. And the risotto is never going to hold together when you've put it in a tin for years on end. I mean, it is in date, but it's nice. So as you can tell now, it's getting a bit darker. Although this is Scotland, and it is June, so it's come to the season where it doesn't really get dark at night, but it will do. I mean, being in the woods, it will give it a bit more of a shade. But the food was good. I enjoyed that. I'm just going to sit here and relax, maybe watch a bit of YouTube on my phone, and yeah, I'll bring you back a bit later on when night, if it does come, and it's got a bit darker when that happens, and or if anything else happens. So as you can see, it is dark now. I'll stick you out the window actually, so you can have a look around. Total darkness. Well, there is still a bit of light shining through the trees up there. I've just been relaxing here, watching a bit of YouTube as well. Not much has really been happening, to be fair. There was some people that walked past probably about an hour ago now. At the time it is 11:30. Strangely enough, a bit late for walking in the woods, but it sounded like a son and a father out for a walk or something. Before that, before it really got dark, there was someone whizzing past on one of those Sauron things. Yeah, been quite peaceful. So I'm gonna carry on just relaxing here and probably watch a bit more YouTube for half an hour until about 12 o'clock, and then curl up in a ball and try and get some sleep. Yeah, as I say earlier in the video, it is supposed to rain tonight, so if that wakes me up and I start getting wet, or I don't know how that's going to go, to be honest, but yeah, if I start getting wet in the middle of the night, I'll bring you back and tune you in for that. But if I like sleep through it, and if I don't get woken up, I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning. Sleeping here last night wasn't too bad. Bit hard on the floor, but it didn't rain, so that was good. Yeah. I think it's probably time to get up and get some breakfast on. The sun's just about breaking through now. I can see it on a beam of light on those trees there, just coming through. Well, it'll probably be quite a nice warm day. Unfortunately, I've got some other stuff on, so can't be staying in the woods to enjoy the day. It was a little bit chilly in the early hours of the morning. Woke up about 3:30, something like that, because the birds were quite loud at that point. But went back to sleep quite easily, and yeah, it was kind of cozy in here actually. It wasn't too bad. I thought it was going to be worse. I'm kind of glad it didn't rain, that's for sure. I was a bit concerned about the rain coming down and the tree, the main bit of the tree here, and just sort of getting everything a bit damp, or even coming through these little windows. There is a bit of plastic put on this section of roof, so I don't know how well that would have helped, but yeah, it's been a good night. So I'm going to finish up eating my breakfast and probably pack up, and I'll
I'll bring you back once I've finished backing up, and we'll have a little walk out through the woods, and I'll bring you back then. Well, that's me all packed up. Let's head out of it. So I hope you've enjoyed this random camping video, bit of an unusual one. If you wanted to see the full review of that ration pack, keep an eye out for the Cooking with Stone series. But that's all for now. I'll catch you in the next one.